Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Venmo debit card pick you should know. So here's the breakdown. The Venmo debit card isn't just another payment card. It comes with a pick that makes everyday spending more rewarding and convenient. So first, you get the instant cashback at select retailer shop. So you earn money back automatically when you pay in the store or online. You also get real-time transaction alert, which help you keep an eye on your spending right from the app. Another big pick is the fee-free access to thousands of ATMs when you meet the qualifying direct deposit or reload requirement. Perfect for grabbing cash without surprise cost. The card also works with Apple Pay and Google Pay, so you can tap and pay quickly from your phone. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more quick money tips, and comment which Venmo debit card pick you would like to use first. And that's it.